How to cancel the super Duolingo. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have subscribed to Super Duolingo and do not require it anymore, in that case, first of all tap open Duolingo app and from the bottom bar tap on your profile. After that tap on settings icon which is on the top right, and if you have a subscription, you will see a subscription note. However, if you have cancelled all the subscription, as in my screen, you will not see anything. But if you have a subscription, tap on it and then tap on current plan. Once you tap on current plan, you will see different types of plans available. So you will have to click on cancel subscription. This will now ask you for the reason. Tap on the appropriate reason. After that, you will be taken to another page along with your details of payment and the subscription plan. Tap open it and then tap on cancel my subscription. And this way, once you confirm the subscription cancellation, it's good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.